Hello, and welcome to our latest DLA Piper TechLaw video series. My name is Chris Baird. I'm a London-based partner, an M&A lawyer with global business law firm DLA Piper. Alina, thank you very much, first of all, for taking the time to join us today. I thought maybe we could start this off by you introducing Founders Factory Africa and what it is that you do, and in particular, the role that you play.
Thank you, Chris. I'm a co-founder and chief strategy officer at FFA. Founders Factory Africa is a Pan-Africa venture development company. So we are both building new ventures, new startups, and scaling existing companies across different markets in Africa.
How do you see that regulatory development question impacting on your investments, and what would you like to see to develop the market from a regulatory perspective in broad terms? We've seen sandboxes and other ideas being thrown around. What is it that you would like to see from a regulatory perspective?
Yeah, it's an interesting one. So absolutely, definitely a huge part of obviously starting businesses is that I think just recognizing the diversity of the regulatory systems across Africa. Again, I think, just being cognizant of the fact that Nigeria is different from South Africa, from Ghana, etc. The one thing that upsets me, Chris, is, and this sometimes is unfortunately still very much the myth and the perception is, when you say we work in Africa, sometimes people say, oh, how do you deal with corruption? How do you deal with like the kind of the complexity in a negative sense of the regulatory environment? And our answer is twofold. One is, first of all, the fact that there is no latent regulatory systems in some cases is actually a good thing, because, again, here are ventures that are paving the way in technology and innovation, clinical sort of innovation, but also in fintech. So it's actually more of an advantage in some case than if you look at fintech and health tech in the US or Europe. I think the second thing is that we always say, and this is obviously, we are very much focused on the entrepreneur and the founder, is founders know their environment, they know their market. In fact, that's part of our criteria when selecting kind of ventures to work with is, does the founder and the founding team have a really good grasp of the complexities of their market, right? And regulatory is a huge part in sort of doing business and how that works.